flop on the way down, using those flaps similar to arms to help change the path of the air over you. Coming up real soon. Again, going for a landing burn, trying to light 2 of these Raptor sea level engines.
Here we go. It's coming up soon. It really does look in pretty good shape. We'll see how this turns out, though.
Landing burn startup. 2 engines lit. Successful flip. Buoy can't catch
away.
Good shot time.
Oh, yeah. Let's see it. Let's see it go boom. Thank you for keeping the boom on it. Wow. Thank you, SpaceX. That was incredible. So they nailed the target because they had the footage of it. They nailed it. Oh, that's